Hi guys, so I've got a few questions regarding question 2.3, and this recording is just to explain some basic key concepts which you guys might have missed in clarifying how to get to the answers for the current liabilities and non-current liabilities that you will find in your textbook. So let's quickly look at what they've asked. So they told you on 1 January you purchased the vehicle on hire purchase for 260,000. Now I've highlighted in red what you should have read. Now hire purchase is not a cash price, but a hire purchase price. Now what that in essence means is that a component of it is your capital amount, so your cash price plus the interest that you pay on borrowing that money from your vehicle manufacturer or wherever you purchased it from, if you finance it through the bank from the bank. So the interest component is what you pay on the money you've borrowed in order to buy this car. Now, to repay this loan or finance that you've obtained for the car, they say 20,000 is a deposit. Now, the deposit is always paid at the beginning of your lease contract. Now, your lease contract is starting on the 1st of January 2007, and then it runs, your financial year runs from 1 Jan to 31st of December. Now, what they want you to do is your repayments, that is 2,000 per month over the next 10 years. They want you to say at the end of 31st December 27, what is the current liabilities amount? What is the non-current liabilities amount? Now, I'm going to share an Excel screen with you guys where we're going to go break it down. Okay, now what is very important while we wait for the screen to come up, you'll see at the top is the information. So I'm just going to increase the size of it so that you can see all the information. So how I started it is I did a payment breakdown. So the question stated that we are paying a deposit of 20,000 right in the beginning. Now, it also said that in order to pay the premiums, it is 2,000 per month over 12 months, which equals 24,000 per year. And that is for a 10-year period. Now, yeah, I've listed the 10 years that we would use. So for each of those, it's 24,000. And if I add all of this together, you get the total of 260,000, which is the total hire purchase price, which was also given in the question. So that is just to show you how they got to the 260 so that we know. Now what I said is okay, sorry, I see we just cut out there, so let me just repeat this. So the deposit of 20,000 was repaid on the 1st of Jan 27. So that amount has already been paid. So that is no longer outstanding. Now the date we are looking at is the 31st of December 27. So that means this year has also been paid. So we have paid that in full by 31st December 27. And how do we know that has been paid in full? If you see this information in the brackets, it says assume all premiums due have been paid, including the premium due 31st December 27. So that means this full 24,000 has also been paid. Now, what does that mean? This means these amounts here, just going to make them a light green, are all still outstanding. So that's the remaining future payments as at 31st December 2007, and it is outstanding. So it still needs to be paid. Okay, so we still need to pay those amounts. But now, what do they want to know? They want to know what is current, what is non-current. Now, we said when something is current, it will occur in the next 12 months. So this means this first 24,000 is actually current because of the fact that it will occur in the next 12 months from year end, from 31st December 27. So 12 months is 31st December 2008. So that means if we look at that, we will say our sum of our current is 24,000. Okay, but now that means the remaining amount is non-current because it will happen after more than 12 months, so it's seen as non-current. So if we do the sum of that, and we add all of these together, we get 192,000, which represents the green ones. And this is then our non-current amount. And then if we add all of this together, we sum these two, then we get a total outstanding of 216,000. So it's the total outstanding at 31 December 27. So let me just make that black so you can read it. Okay, so that's how they got to the 216,000 and the 192,000, which is non-current, and the 24,000 that is current. So the main things you need to see is that the deposit and the first year of premiums have already been paid in order to get to the correct information of what is still remaining or outstanding, and then you had to go apply the rule what will occur within 12 months, what will occur after 12 months to get the non-current and current split. If you've got any more questions on this, feel free to pop me an email and we can discuss it some more. Have a lovely day, guys. See you guys soon. Bye.